Hey guys, hello and welcome to Zen Innovations, and today I have an awesome product from BuildSkill. Guys, BuildSkill is an Indian company and they manufacture a huge range of products. For example, rotary hammers, paint sprayers or even angle grinders. So the link for their website is waiting for you in description below. Make sure to go ahead and check it out. Who knows, you might like some of their goodies. So the product we are going to talk about today is this LED solar lantern. And the important part is that this is a made in India product and it comes with 6-month warranty. Because we've already seen that most of these products are imported and they go bad in few months. But BuildSkill is providing a solid 6-month warranty on their products. So this is the product which we are going to talk about today, and we'll talk about its features. But make sure to stay throughout the course of this video because we are also going to talk about a few cons towards the end of this episode. So let's start with the features first. And the first and foremost feature which really struck me is the build quality. Yes guys, true to its name, the device is really very well built. So the construction is a solid metal, you can check it out. The whole thing is made out of metal, and it also comes with this nifty little carry handle. And the carry handle is a serrated, which means that it is going to stay put when you put it on a nail. So over here we get a solar panel. So this is a 12 cell solar panel, I guess 6 volts. And that is going to help recharge the rechargeable battery which is inside this unit. Yes guys, you heard that right. The product comes with a rechargeable battery built in. And here's another option to recharge the product. If the sun is not out or if there are clouds in the sky, then you can use this charging port. So just take your regular micro USB cable, plug it in over here, and you can charge it like this. But the solar installation on this product is pretty sensitive, and even in the studio lights I can see that very faintly this LED is started glowing. And talking about LEDs, there are a lot more over here. So this is the business end of this product, and we can see that there are a lot of SMD LEDs. And for the good life of SMD LEDs, we know that the LED board should be mounted on metal heatsink, which is done over here. Damn, the whole thing is made up of metal. So the life of these LEDs is going to be pretty good. Plus they are really bright. And speaking about the brightness, we can use this knob over here. So this thing, and we can adjust it in 7 different levels. So let me give you a small demo. So this is the minimum brightness, and let me show you the maximum brightness but we want. Ready? Awesome, isn't it? But showing you brightness like this on camera is not a whole lot of fun. So you guys go ahead and check out these B-rolls. So guys, that was awesome, isn't it? And plus this product comes in variety of sizes, so you can buy these solar LED lanterns with more or less number of LEDs. All of those links are waiting for you in description below, you can go and check them. Now let's come to the most important part of this video, which is the cons section. Because being a consumer, you guys should be made aware regarding all the disadvantages of this product. So the first thing which struck me when I was unboxing this is that there is no charging cable provided. Well, it's not a huge problem because any standard micro USB cable which we use for Android mobile phones works with this. But I wish a small cable inside the package would have been better. Let's come to the second con. And the second con is again related to charging. And as we can see on this port, the port can accept charging, but it cannot provide charging. What I mean is that a USB output is dearly missing. I wish it had a USB output plug, which would have turned this gadget into the ultimate camping companion for you, which means light as well as mobile phone charging. I wish this kind of model could be introduced in the future by the company, but for what it is available today, I guess it's pretty alright. If you want to check the prices or buy these products, then the link is waiting for you in description below. You can buy it directly from BuildSkill or you can buy it from Flipkart, and go ahead and check out the Flipkart link because I guess there are some offers currently running on the website. So that's it for this little video, guys. I hope you like this little video. Take care and have a nice day.